I love you too. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, I love you too. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. Typically these videos go up on Thursdays and Sundays. So if you're seeing this, it's probably a Thursday or a Sunday. And I usually open up my subscription boxes, which by the way, this one looks gorgeous. A little like beat up, but gorgeous. So today's video, we're going to be opening up my IPSY glam box. Boxycharm by IPSY, Boxy glam box. Boxycharm by IPSY, IPSY's Boxycharm. I don't know what you want to call it or how they want to call it. Oh, actually, we got names. So here, I guess IPSY is just IPSY. It is the company. Then we have IPSY Glam Bag, IPSY Boxycharm, IPSY Icon Box, IPSY Refreshments. I'm assuming. Assuming, making all the assumptions here. Anyway, this is a very beautiful box. I really do like this. I like the colors. I mean, not that I don't enjoy the color of the shirt that I'm wearing, but this is also nice too. Just throwing it out there. I'm kind of looking forward to this box. It's July, by the way. July 2023. If you are new to my channel or new to IPSY, let me grab my cloud knife. If you're new to my channel or never heard of IPSY or IPSY Glam Bag, IPSY Boxycharm, IPSY what have you, I'll leave more in the description down below. I also have an entire playlist. Let's see what I got in my box. This is hard to open. Oh my god, they sealed it twice. Oh. Oh, poor little thing. Sealed it twice, but I got it open. IPSY. Oh. The boxes are still flimsy. Why is it? Huh. I don't think I got this last time. This gigant. I don't think we got this whole shablam last time. I'll probably have to go and re-watch that video. I think we got this with the first Boxycharm by IPSY box. What are you? So the cool thing about this is that there is nothing about the Boxycharm in this, like the stuff that you got. Power picks, tells you about power picks, tells you about the mega drop shop, tells you about like the featured brand, I guess, a mash box, tells you about dressing up, unplugging for a bit, meditate, manicures, like some cool stuff happening. Nothing about what's in my box. Why? I don't know. Anywho, Anywho, let's just get into what's in my box. I did go ahead and pull up my app before this whole thing started because I had a feeling. And here we, oh, you're gonna like this. I like this. Okay, let's get started. Anywho, let me put my cloud knife away before I lose it, because I will lose it. And oh, it's also neatly organized in here. Like, the boxes are still really flimsy when they're open, so be careful. But the first item is from BURKI. It's a silk protein primer. Are you it? Oh, it is. Okay. So this, $54. This is what it looks like. It looks much bigger in the pictures, but this is what it looks like. Very orange box. I was not expecting this based off of the pictures. It reminds me so much of like my Tatcha products. I could not resist. I was like, why not? It looks great. It's a primer that's also a skin superhero. It's supposed to do more than prep my skin. Where does it tell me? It's like a Silk Protein Primer. Satiny, airy cushioning primer helps keep makeup in place, extend your look throughout the day. Mineral scent filter. Help with, okay, hyaluronic acid, silk amino acid, hydrate, plump, replenish, rose hip. Okay, so there's a lot of good stuff in here. So, I kind of understand the price point now of, what was it, $54. I kind of understand the price point now. Like before I was like, that's pretty expensive for a teeny tiny little primer, but, and I've never heard of this brand before. Always a good way to explore new products that you may have never heard of before. Subscription boxes. The next item. Ooh. Did I pick all of these? Did I pick? Oh, I did not. I did not? Are you sure? I think I would have picked this. This is from Earth Harbor. Earth Harbor Naturals. Not just Earth Harbor, like that's what I call it. Earth Harbor Naturals. It's the MARINA BIOME Brightening Ampoule. Ampoule. It's one of those weird words that we just say it and say it and say it. And by like the second time you say it, it just loses all meaning. For me, anyway. $38. This stuff is amazing. So amazing that I ended up getting it, I think 3 times total. I got it once, pretty sure on like a Boxycharm or an IPSY or something like that. Ended up like being cycled through with my skincare. As soon as I used this, immediate improvement. I loved it. So I purchased 2 more. And they ran out and I had like no way of finding this on sale and I didn't want to spend $38. So I went with another essence that was a lot cheaper and on sale at the time, and that's what I'm using. So this will be cycled back into my skincare. I'm excited. I'm excited. $38, by the way. Love it. Love it. Oh, let me show you, because I'm just shaking it around. Let me actually show you the item and what it looks like. It's gorgeous. If the box would open. Yeah, it's a struggle. Look how beautiful this stuff is. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Amazing. I don't know what, I don't know how they do it, like the magicians like flipping the little crystal ball around. That's what I was going for. It did not work out that way. Anyway, $38. I love it. The next item, ooh, I love this brand too. This next item is from Verb. And I got this once upon a time in a Sephora box. That's how long ago I fell in love with this brand, Sephora. It was their, I forget what it was, but it was a hair oil. And it was so amazing, just the tiny little sample when they sent you. And I went and I bought the big one, which was like $1 bajillion. But I loved it. It made my hair feel so good. It smelled good too. So I picked this up. $20 full size item. It's the Verb Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. What does that mean? Clarify, Refresh, Balance. So it's supposed to exfoliate, clarify, balance for all hair types. It's got AHA, moringa seed oil, grapefruit extract, and biotin. I'm not a fan of grapefruit. Like, everybody around me loves it. Myself, no. Ooh. I mean, it's not as big as I thought it would be, especially if it's an exfoliating nectar. Now I'm kind of confused. How do you use this actually? I have questions. Ingredients. Application. Part dry hair into sections, apply directly to the scalp and massage. Leave in for 10 minutes and rinse well. Follow up with any Verb's shampoo. See, when I hear exfoliating, like, I think physical. I guess this is like a chemical exfoliant. New, but interesting. I will definitely be trying just because I love their other product. I'm hoping this has as much goodness in it as the other one does. And then, oh my god. The next item is from a brand I do love. So of course it makes sense that I picked this. It's from Ace Beauty. It's the Seal It Makeup Setting Spray. Hold the spray about 6 to 8 inches away from your face with your eyes and mouth closed. Spray lightly and evenly across your face. $28. This is kind of little compared, well, I mean, not really, I guess. I think it's a good size. And it's a setting spray, not a finishing spray. It's a setting spray. And I love this brand. Like, I don't have enough setting sprays as it is. I have like this whole shelf behind here. Setting sprays. Nothing but setting sprays. Ridiculous. But I really wanted this. $28. Yeah, you're going to find out what it's all about. We'll see. Hopefully it does good. Hopefully it does good. Okay. And then the last item, it's from ID.AZ. I think that's how you say it. ID.AZ. It's Gold Fit Mask Set. $39. There's 3 supposedly. This huge chunkaroo that I thought was a palette is not a palette. It's shiny. I could see it in like my viewfinder. Like, we're super shiny and reflective. ID.AZ Dermastic Gold Fit Mask. ID.AZ provides a true solution. Treat delicate skin. Oh. So what do you do? Because I just saw like mask, gold, and I do need masks. I've been doing the what is it? Tretinoin, that cream, and sometimes, not always, but sometimes, like every 3rd or 4th time, like I apply it, because I do it once a week, my skin gets so dry, and I'm worried I'm gonna run out of masks, but now I'm not, and I want to open it and see what they look like. But they sealed it. They sealed both ends. Luckily I got tweezers. I think the packaging, or the inside little packets, are going to be as cute as this. Oh, they are. Cool. That's nice. Oh, and it has the same instructions on here as it does on the back here. So it looks like it comes in 2 different sheets, like the top and the bottom. Rinse your face, or I should say wash your face. Don't just rinse it off, but like wash your face with like the soap stuff, the cleanser. Cleanse your skin with toner, open the mask, remove. There's a transparent part you take off of the mask and then put the mask on the face. Wait for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then wait for the rest to absorb into your skin, or you can tap it in. Cool. A little longer than most masks. Most masks are like 10-15 minutes and then take it off, rub it in. This is a little different, but that's cool. And that's almost everything for my Boxycharm. I ended up getting 2 extra items as add-ons because I couldn't resist. We were in the car and it was taking a really long time, and I saw this, so I figured why not. First of all, I love e.l.f. Their little Power Grip Primer, amazing, especially in this like Arizona heat. Oh my gosh, it has my heart. It does. And I'm gonna run out pretty soon. So I saw this, $3.50. So I was like, why not just get it? I don't need the niacinamide, but it's $3.50. $3.50. Why not? So that'll be going in my little stash to be worked around probably sooner than some. And then I saw this on there too. It is a brow pencil in light brown. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. At least like on the viewfinder, it's beautiful. This is a brow pen. It's from Mo Beauty. It's Divinely Defined. Damn, that's nice. Precision Brow Pencil and Brush in light brown. So we have the brush on one side and then the pencil on the other side. I hope this goes good, because right now the shade that I love so much is from Wet n Wild. Like, there's other formulas, like Billion Dollar Brow Brush formula is really good, but I don't have my shade maybe, or I haven't found my shade for my brows. I do use it sometimes if I want those bam in your face brows, so I'm looking for more. Hopefully this will help be one of those contenders. We'll see. I put it over here with like all my little brow doodles that I have, so it's ready to go. And that's it. Woo! Here's the box. Here's all the paper. And on the bottom it says Beauty's Best Kept Secret. And I gotta say, July is pretty nice. I mean, it's weird. I've been thinking about it since I just mentioned it. I don't think there's anything from Boxycharm so far that I don't like. Since they switched over Boxycharm, IPSY, by Boxycharm, Boxy, IPSY. However you want to define yourself, identify yourself. Here's the July box. I'm like scared to hold it because I'm worried the box is going to fall apart like itself. It feels like it is. But July, Boxy by IPSY 2023, mine anyway. I want to know what you guys got. Let me know in the comments below. As always, I'm really happy with my box. It's weird. Like, just thinking back, honestly, hit or miss a lot. IPSY has always been like my OG #1, can never go wrong. And then I have my Allure that's getting up there. And now, I have this one. I mean, they're doing something right. Just saying. Just saying. I like it. Aside from that really obnoxious paper insert card magazine wannabe thing. Anyway, we're not going to get into that because we're going to end on a good note because I really like my box this month. I will talk to you next time. Remember, hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy what you saw. Bye!